Hello, and welcome to MarkSharks Study Sessions. In this episode, we are going to learn about gravity and its laws. Earth attracts all things towards it through an unseen force of attraction. This force of attraction is called gravitation or gravitational pull. You must have noticed that every time you throw an object upwards, it reaches a certain height and then falls down on the Earth's surface. So, we can conclude that these objects move under the gravitational forces or gravitational pull of the Earth, which is nothing but a force of attraction. Gravitational force or the gravity of Earth is the reason why you remain on Earth and it pulls you down. So, gravity is defined as a force that attracts a body towards the center of the Earth or any other physical body having mass. Sir Isaac Newton, the world-renowned scientist who is also considered the father of physics, played a pivotal role in discovering gravity and coining its laws. It is widely accepted that Sir Isaac Newton discovered the phenomenon of gravity when he was sitting under an apple tree and saw an apple fall to the ground from the tree. After seeing this, he wondered why the apple fell straight to the ground instead of falling sideways or even going up. Later, Newton realized that the Earth must be responsible for the apple to fall downwards, perpendicular to the ground. This was a major turning point for Newton, and from that he developed the law of gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction happening between any two bodies. Basically, all the objects in the universe attract each other with a certain amount of force. But in most cases, the force is either too weak or too small to be observed due to the very large distance of separation. Thus, Newton's law of gravity was born. The law of gravity is an important discovery in the field of physics. It gives an insight into the relationship between mass and force. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the magnitude of the force acting between 2-point masses is directly proportional to the product of their masses. The magnitude of the force acting between 2-point masses decreases rapidly as distance increases. So how does gravity apply to real life? Here are some examples. Gravitational force is responsible for binding us to Earth. It makes sure that we don't float off into space. It is the reason behind the revolution of the moon around the Earth, as the moon revolves around the Earth because of the Earth's gravitational pull. Planets revolve around the sun because of gravity. The sun is huge and hence has a massive gravitational pull that causes the planets in our solar system to revolve around it. Even the tides that are formed by the rising and falling of water levels in the ocean happens because of the gravitational force exerted by both the sun and the moon on the Earth. So that's a short study session showcasing gravity, its laws, and real-life applications. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning about gravity. Stay tuned for more MarkSharks Study Sessions in the weeks to come. Please give this video a like to spread its reach and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. And be a part of our journey into helping young minds reach their full potential. If you wish to try MarkSharks for free and see for yourself how you can improve in your studies and comprehension, click the link below. Thank you for watching this video and see you again soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.